Bishop Kisembo ureberezo bwa Rwenzori yashaba abanya-Uganda kubarira Ruzaro kibahwera ubutazara reryo oguyaba nahamya baronde 96 hakanisa ya Mugamba Church of Uganda district ya Chegegwa.
Cyo kwenda muri iki cyo kubanza kiri abakena amana kuzara basaba kuzara abana bake kuzara abana ba family planning tule kuzara nkanke wakame bazara nkanke koko bakizura nka zigati so kuzara abana bake family planning bana bakazara kuzara abana bake ba renje mugura muri ba ingona ba wingi.
Bishop wetu Rwenzori Bishop Robert Kisembo Amoti kandi yakorera umugomani munonga yahamya abantu 96 kandi yaburenjiri enungi uya banaterera abantu nabagambira kora namani bakabasa kwigerezaho amakagabo kandi batunga intasya.
Bishop nayo yereko kwatwa habwa abantu abahweriro mu kunyamarwa ekiretire bayibwo bujunanizwa bwavo.
Uganda ne manyo mu Africa we are the first munywaki amarwa. Ogenda kusoro sazini batamiri sazini. Ogenda ruwa batamiri. Okwata sote tese rugura tororo batamiri. Wherever you go. Yamusana tuka abantu bozeki batamiri. Cyo bujune cyo.
Okushaboku kwayitabwa munabebembeze batara bamwe na bamwe.
Kandi nzima nabazeire ukorora ngo bareta abana basobora nabo kuba confirmed kandi babera kimwe abakristaya bakire kandi terera abana nyabareho kitakoma hano bayitumugumizoza ntanga mugende mu kanisa musome kandi musobore okutina ntanga bano bagama mutina mukama n'amagezi garuga mu isomero musome
basima mukama watu iserizo bankeri ejo kutebwa emikono kana enje omwa wategwa emikono nasima munonga Bishop wasiteka emikono.
Omugani makuru owabirehisha bareberezwe kanisa ya Uganda Bishop Henry Lukorombi yayahanandiza abashija okubenyomyoza makagabo.
The blessing doesn't come from the woman.
Omukisa onyakurutukuruka hayo mukazi nango.
It comes from the man.
Kuruka hamsaija.
It comes from you men.
Kuruka halinya abasaija.
Can I ask you men, just stand up like me.
Ningoza kusaba abasaija abanyakula hano mwemere.
Just stand up.
Mwemere.
Very briefly.
Mwemere kwa dakika 5.
God has his eyes on you.
Ruhanga batira hama isoge.
Because you are the channel
Akwa ninyo nsoro.
of his blessing
Ninyo mfuleje kwa mkisabu.
to your wives
Ali mkazi wao.
and to your children.
Ali abana wao.
If you don't live right,
Kakubota umera wa mezo burundu.
your wife suffers.
Mkazi wao nija kubona bona.
Oguyabari aha mukoro gwo kusima ko burisa bwa mukore Church of Uganda omurkatoke Chenjojo district at Bishop Orombi hona yashaba bakazo kushabira abana babo kibahwera kutambara n'umugisha gw'abazire bavo.
Mothers,
Bamama,
I want you to stand up. Love your children.
obagonze.
Walk with your children.
Musimgena abana babo.
Bring them closer to you.
Omeirize hai.
There will be wonderful things happening to them.
Aitakuwa vitu vya maana kuita kwa baba.
They will experience the blessing of God.
Nebaita kuno mugisa gwa
And
Ruhanga.
they will succeed
Kandi baita kusingura.
through teaching,
Omukwegesa.
through discipline,
Omukubahana.
through loving,
Omukubagonza.
through correcting. The mother of Moses was called Jochebed.
Kwaba kwegomba kwaitu nkachidiko nabe nka family kusima Ruhanga cyo kubanza ekindi kusimira Ruhanga nyowe nko muntu nubwo buhereza busaba dikone Ruhanga ampayire obuhereza bubaire butanguhire Ruhanga asoboze seze
Amakoraga gashakwa Philip Marangira na Daniel Bingana.